Well guys, we picked one of the coldest days of the year, if not the coldest, to go pick up the new car. It's about 10 degrees outside with a wind chill of, I think, -4, which means it feels like -4 degrees outside. Perfect day to go pick up a new sports car. So I actually went to the same dealership about 5 years ago to pick up the 2017 86, the silver shop car. And within that time frame of 5 years, Thomas and myself did a ton of modifications to that car. Actually, really miss Thomas. For those of you who are wondering, Thomas is actually doing really well. He just recently got married, so give this video a thumbs up to congratulate him, and I'll let him know that you guys are thinking of him. Now, unfortunately, that silver 86 that we got did end up getting into an accident on our way down to Road Atlanta, and it got totaled.
Our 86 is no longer.
I tried to fill that void with my FRS, the supercharged BRZ, a little bit of the Supra, but we really haven't had a dedicated shop project car, but that's gonna change today. All right, so we are at Toyota Des Moines. If you aren't aware, we're based out of Des Moines, Iowa, right smack dab in the middle of the country. Obviously, before we can go drive off with the car, I gotta go inside, fill out some paperwork, and give out some autographs. So Blake, our salesman, actually used to work in our warehouse, and now he's selling us a new car. Huge shout out to him for getting us one of the first GR86s that we know of in Iowa.
That's for you.
All paperwork is done. We have got the keys. Now, this thing is on summer tires, so we're gonna take it slow back home, stay on the side roads to make sure it gets home in one piece. Don't worry, I made sure it didn't drill into the front bumper for the front plate. Once we get back, we'll throw a relocation kit on there. There's no stickers on the back as well, so I don't have to deal with taking those off. But yeah, let's hop in the car, get this thing back in the shop where we'll get a better look at it, and we'll go from there. This is our brand new 2022 GR86. We opted for the Neptune Blue. Now at first, I wasn't so sure on the color choice, but after seeing this in person, and I'm sure the camera doesn't do it justice, but it looks absolutely stunning. It's not gonna be for everybody, but it certainly does catch your eye and grab your attention. This is the premium model, so a couple differences from the base model. Up front on the outside, we have the steering responsive headlights, which means those projectors are moving when you turn the steering wheel a certain point. On the sides, we have the 18-inch black wheels as opposed to the 17-inch machine wheels. And then on the back of the car, we have that duckbill spoiler on the trunk that I think really completes the rear end and gives it a nice, aggressive look. And hopping inside of the car, we have the ultra suede leather trim seats with the silver stitching. We also have the ultra suede on the accent of the door cards as well, but that's pretty much the biggest differences between the base model and the premium model. Now, there's a couple other minute things like the 8 speaker radio that's still trash anyway, and lights in the vanity mirrors, but that's pretty much stuff you don't really care about when you buy this car. The biggest thing you're probably gonna notice when you hop inside this car is the digital cluster. It's got the resemblance of the Boxer motor, and when you go to turn it on, you get that nice spinning GR logo with the piston animation, which is a fantastic touch. The interior itself, like the exterior, got a complete redesign, so the dash is different. You got a new head unit. The climate control knobs are a huge upgrade over what's in my FRS. They look super fancy now with the digital display, and you have these nice silver knobs. We opted for the 6-speed manual transmission, but this also does come with an automatic transmission. The push to start is standard for the base model and the premium model, so that is really nice. And the rear seats are still pretty much useless. That pretty much does it, guys. I just wanted to take you along to pick up the car and let you guys know that we have a ton of new content coming now that I actually have this car. I'm so excited to actually be working on something new and different. We have a bunch of parts ready to be installed on this car. So if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up to show your support. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see, or if you guys have any parts that you want to see installed on this car. I'm always open to recommendations. I'll leave you guys with some shots of the car. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.